TaxSlayer Pro's partner products provide peace of mind for your customers and additional revenue opportunities for your tax business. With only a few interactions per client each tax season, it's important to maximize the sales opportunities in those conversations. It is best to offer and suggest value-added products during the organic conversation that occurs during the tax preparation transaction. Having good conversational rapport helps the suggested selling of value-added products flow naturally. Listen for cues from your tax clients that indicate concerns or prior experience with either identity theft or IRS audits. Likewise, you may make observations and point out the benefit of the products during the tax prep process. If you notice any audit triggers during the prep process, like unusually high charitable donations, repeated reported losses, or a big change in income, that is a great time to offer audit protection. Anyone and everyone can benefit from ID theft protection, and everyone knows a person who has suffered through some form of identity theft. Simply discussing ID theft protection by the telling of a story is a great way to offer ID theft value-added products to your tax client. With identity theft protection, audit protection, and IRS advocacy, there's a lot to love for your clients and for your bottom line.